Our winner is a male. Malamang from elite category we have PJ Kumayas.
Nawala man mo diyan lagi wala. Yoro. Apakaangas par. Oh.
Congratulations, sir.
Sir, thank you. Iting panalo.
Okay, mga idol, sila po ang ating top 7 winner for our Masters category.
Jump, jump, jump.
Okay, congratulations and thank you very much. Let's start with our 10th place. For our 10th place, he will receive 50 SR voucher from Bikes for All and a special gift from the Philippine Airlines. Our top 10, we have Mr. Floyd Umambak. Hey, congratulations, top 10. Mr. Floyd, official time. Mr. Floyd, official time is 11 minutes and 27 seconds
Hey.
for the 3 stages. And a special gift prize from Philippine Airlines. We have Mr. Israel Bito. Wait, sinong representative ni Albert. Si Tuto Albert. Sorry. Mr. Albert.
Backflip. Jump shot. Grabe, tikalo no? Tikalo no?
Top 7. Next, our top 6, we have from Yan Bikers. Official time is
Oy!
11 minutes and 08 seconds.
Yan Bikers.
For our top 6, we have... Tika lang.
Makaangat mo par. Wala nang uwian. Par, geng-geng yan par.
Ayusin mo.
Let's move to our top 5. We have Sultan Murad. Official time is 10 and 19 seconds. For our top 4,
Your cash prize. Same like this, top 4 will be.
our top 4, official time is 10 minutes. 10 minutes and 12 seconds. We have Mr. Randy Ramos from the Bike MD. Top 4 yan ha.
Oh, malupit. Par, congrats par. Thank you.
For our top 4, Marsan. Official time is 10 and 09 seconds.
Hey! Hey!
Trophy will be awarded by our very own Mr. Sniper. Award mo yung...
Par, geng-geng par.
Oh, grabe, may boy.
Congratulations mga idol. Wala ba mga palapak dyan? Ganun dyan.
Ang lupit. Lods, congrats.
Ang pangalan. pangalan.
Shooter pala.
Congratulations,
Magaling.
Don. Top 2 natin yan.
Congrats.
Our top 2 official time is 10 minutes and 08 seconds. Okay. The most awaited part. Ang ating top 1. Our top 1 will receive a trophy, a park ticket, courtesy of Philippine Airlines, a special gift prize from Philippine Airlines. Okay, our top 3, his official time is 9 minutes, our top 1, his official time is 9 minutes and 49 seconds. We have Mr. Cameron Marchand.
Oh. Siya pala. Congrats.
From Qatar, sir, I'm right?
Galing.
Walang track rib yan?
Bangis.
Ako na sa Pilipinas yan.
Okay,
Once again, congratulations to our top 10 winners
picture.
for our open category.
Mark, picture.
Special gift prize from SY Bike Resto is Mr. Pete Boots. Congratulations! Palakpakan!
Yung kulot ba? Taranan!
Congratulations, Idol, from Melon Boys.
Miss Universe ang dating tanan. Sana namin mawag kayo!
Tanggalin mo yung buhok! Tanggalin daw yung buhok!
Okay. For our top 2, official time is 9 minutes and 02 seconds. He will receive
Bye!
300 SR cash prize from Crown Gears. Generous for our generous sponsors. His official time is 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Our winner is a male. Malamang from elite category we have PJ Kumayas. Congratulations, Idol! Pedro Colongset.
Langers! Yung maraming dabins. Langers! Aywa!
Bro, congratulations. The best ka talaga.
Nawala man yung jang lagi nawala. Wala. Walang sinabi yan.
Simple and
Number one!
Yung nakikita niyo sa baba, yan yung prize ni ni Idol Pedro.
Yun o!
Titigas ko
Ang pakangas, par!
Ang daming premyo, panalo. Ang daming injury niya. Ang daming semplang.
Kumaling na!
Congratulations sa ating winners. Especially sa ating top 1, Mr. Pedro Kumayas. Picture daw muna. Top 10.
Top 10! Top
RMR Cup. And
Akit to kay lahat!
congratulations, ma'am. Women category.
Naman.